Good morning, students. In this series of videos, we learn fundamentals in mathematics. By watching this series, you will have clarity in fundamentals. Phobia towards maths will be eliminated. You can improve speed and accuracy by following our methods. Subscribe our channel and follow 20 videos relating to fundamentals. Teacher asked their students to solve 2 plus 3 into 5 is equal to how much? Ram said 2 plus 3 into 5 equals to 2 plus 3 is 5 into 5 is 25. Rahim said 2 plus 3 into 5, 3 into 5 is 15, 2 plus 15 is 17. After argument, they approached Robert. Robert said, both are right. Can we get two different answers to the same problem in mathematics? We write from left to right like A and T and. Urdu speaking people write from right to left like A and T. And Chinese write from top to bottom like A and T. Now, to avoid confusion, we follow a rule internationally. That rule is called BODMAS or V BODMAS. V means vinculum or bar bracket. B for brackets, O for of or order. Order means 2 square, 3 cube, like that. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. We should follow the order one after another. Once again, BODMAS rule means first bar bracket, second brackets, third order or of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. This order should be followed. Types of brackets. We already told you the first one is bar bracket or vinculum. Observe this bracket. It is called round brackets or ordinary brackets or parenthesis or small brackets or common brackets or simple brackets. These type of brackets are called curly brackets or middle brackets or flower brackets or serpentine brackets or simply braces. And this type of brackets are called square brackets or big brackets or rectangular brackets or box brackets. Now let us solve a few questions. Our first question is, what is 2 plus 3 into 5? According to BODMAS rule, first multiplication, observe the order. Once again, after multiplication, you have to add. First multiplication, later addition. So here, first we have to finish the multiplication. 3 into 5 is 15. Now 2 plus 15 is 17. Second question. 18 minus 5 minus 6 plus 2 into 7 minus 8 minus 5. Here, first we have to simplify which is in the bar brackets. That is 8 minus 5. It is 3. Later, we have to simplify which is in the small brackets, that is 7 minus 3, that is 4. Now we have to simplify which is in the flower bracket. Now it becomes 6 plus 2 into 4 is 8. Next, 6 plus 8 is 14. Now almost all we finished. 5 minus 14 is minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 18 plus 9. It is 27. Now question number 3. 10 divided by 2 of 9 minus 4. First we should finish which is in the brackets. What is in the brackets? 9 minus 4. First we have to simplify which is in the brackets. 9 minus 4 is 5. According to BODMAS rule, next operation is off. So 2 of 5. Off is nothing but into. 2 of 5 is 10. Now 10 divided by 10 is 1. That's all. Come to the question number 4. 9 divided by 3 into 2 plus 2 into 9 minus 3. First finish which is in the brackets. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now division. 9 divided by 3 is 3 into 2 plus 2 into 6 is 12. Now multiplication. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 12. It is 18. Now come to question number 5. What is question number 5? 16 minus 9 divided by 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 1 plus 5. First we have to simplify which is in the brackets. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now division. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. Now the question became 16 minus 3 minus 4 plus 5. It is very simple. Its answer is nothing but 14. Now question number 6. 4 plus 4 divided by 2. According to BODMAS rule, first we have to finish the division. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. Come to question number 7. 1001 divided by 11 of 13. Now recall BODMAS rule. First operation is off here. 11 of 13. We already told you off means into. 11 of 13 is 143. 1001 divided by 143 is 7. Now question number 8. 3640 divided by 14 into 16 plus 340. First division. Its result is 260 into 16 plus 340. 260 into 16 is 4160 plus 340. Its result is 4500. Now one more interesting question. 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 2 plus 2. First finish which is in the brackets. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next finish in the curly brackets. What is it? 2 minus 2 into 4 is 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. By simplification, you get its answer as minus 6. Now come to last question. 100 into 10 minus 100 plus 2000 divided by 100. Here division first. Its answer is 20. 100 into 10 is 1000. Now it is 1000 minus 100. 900 plus 20 is 920. Students, it is your homework. Solve your question. Solve yourself. What is the question? 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 2. What is its answer? Now, BODMAS rule, also referred as BITMAS rule, that is nothing but brackets, indices, that means powers, 3 square, 5 square, like that, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. We know the BODMAS rule, and it is also called PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule means parenthesis. Parenthesis is nothing but brackets, that's all. E for exponents. We already told you, indices and exponents are same. Multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. This is called PEMDAS rule. These are all almost all equal. Our next video is on fractions. We attached Google quiz here. After completion of practice, attempt the quiz and view your score. Don't miss our next video, which is on very important chapter, interesting chapter on introduction of fractions. For our previous videos, click on the link given in the description box. If you have any doubts, you can call me without any hesitation. Thank you for